The olive whistler, a secretive songbird of the forest. The olive whistler is a beautiful and shy bird found in southeastern Australia, especially in dense forest and mountain areas. One of the most charming things about the olive whistler is its beautiful voice. Its song is a mix of clear whistling notes, often repeated in a calm and melodic way. Let's listen the call first. The olive whistler sounds can carry quite far through the forest, and it's often heard before the bird is seen. The olive whistler calls can be described as soft whistles, sometimes mixed with harsher, chattering notes. These bird songs and whistles are not only lovely but also unique, helping birders and nature lovers identify this shy bird. The olive whistler uses its voice to defend its territory, attract mates, and stay in touch with others, especially during the breeding season. This bird is known for its olive green back, yellowish underparts, and a strong short bill. The males usually have darker heads and a more intense olive color, while females look slightly paler. Though it is not very easy to spot, birdwatchers love this bird for its mysterious behavior and sweet voice. The olive whistler prefers cool, wet places like temperate rainforest and coastal heathlands, where it often stays hidden in thick vegetation. It moves around quietly, sometimes hopping on the ground or low shrubs in search of insects and small fruits. The olive whistler is mostly solitary or seen in pairs. It is insectivorous, meaning it mainly eats insects like beetles, caterpillars, and spiders. Sometimes it also eats small berries. This bird is quite territorial and tends to stick to the same home range throughout the year. The breeding season for the olive whistler runs from the August to January. During this time, it builds a neat, clean, cup-shaped nest made of twigs, moss, and grass. The nest is usually placed low in a bush or small tree. The female lays 2 or 3 eggs, and both parents takes part in feeding the chicks after they hatch. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.